This is BlenderMCP Pro, a complete AI assistant living inside Blender's end panel. Built on the Open Model Context Protocol, it connects Blender directly to the world's most powerful AI models with zero complex setup. Every prompt carries your full scene data automatically. Just ask for what you need, like a human armature, and watch it build. Because the AI understands spatial context, you can build your scene incrementally. Need a quadruped next? Just ask. Skip the tedious setups, prompt for studio lighting presets, and let the AI build and wire the scene's lighting automatically. Drop in helper meshes, test compositions, and change lighting properties on the fly. You are directing, the AI is executing. And with native undo steps pushed for every action, your workflow is always safe. One click brings you back. Speak to your scene. Download BlenderMCP Pro today.